Could we create an artificial planet? So we drop a bunch of nanobots into a planetary core and then use those nanobots to generate a magnetic field that's strong enough to hold onto an atmosphere. Then we put a bunch of mirrors around the planet to reflect sunlight and keep the temperature just right. And then we seed the atmosphere with microbes that can generate oxygen. And after a few billion years, we should have a planet that's fully habitable for humans. Right? Well, not so fast. We need to make sure that the planet is not only habitable, but also that it has all the resources we need to survive long term. We need to make sure there's enough water, for example, and enough of it in the right places. We need to make sure that there's a nice, flat surface on which to build our cities. And we need to make sure that the gravity is strong enough to keep us from floating away. But perhaps the biggest challenge of all is making sure that the planet is stable. Can we really trust a bunch of nanobots to hold everything together, or will it all just collapse in on itself?